Welcome to the Hill-Murray Guidance and Counseling Department. Thank you for joining us this evening. We are here to help support your student throughout their time at Hill-Murray School. There are 6 of us in our department. I'm the middle school counselor, Lisa Valentine. I work with grades 6 through 8. And we have 4 high school counselors whose caseloads are divided alphabetically. And we also have a college counselor. You'll be hearing from a couple of my colleagues soon. We support students in 3 areas: academic, social and emotional, and post-secondary and career planning. Here to tell you some more about a couple of those is high school counselor Aaron Goulet.
Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Goulet, one of the high school counselors here at Hill-Murray. I service students last name ST through Z. I want to talk about 2 of the different areas that we work with students on. One of those being the academic. So let's say that you're feeling a little struggle in your classes or with grades. We would love to have a conversation with you and talk about different strategies that we can help with, as far as being study skills or testing strategies or organization, time management, making sure that you're using your win times appropriately. We want to just make sure that you are set up with the tools you need for success. So another piece that we work on in the counseling department is the social emotional piece. I want to preference that anything said in our office is held confidential unless there's imminent danger to either you or another student. So many of what the students talk about in our offices concerning social emotional are transitions, so maybe middle school to high school or high school to college, relationships, friendships, decision makings, conflict resolution, how to get involved in either an activity or sport, or maybe some sort of mental health concern such as anxiety. So we want to always welcome you. Our doors are always open. If you have anything you need to discuss, we're here to help you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Egan, a college counselor. I work primarily with juniors and seniors and their parents, and I help them with everything college and career related. Our students use a software program called Naviance to take interest inventories and to plan their college applications.
We know your child's needs and concerns will evolve as they move throughout our building. We will be here to support them and advocate for them along the way. You can find our contact information on our website. We thank you again for joining us. Have a good day.